வேடி குடுமா இங்க வராத மேல பார்த்துட்டு வராத
காமிக்கலாமா?
Study you can speak start anytime. Screen is clear. I mean the board is clear.
श्रीमान वेंकटनाथार्य कविदार्की केसरी वेदांताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सुराहुरि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानशान्नबद्धदीक्षं दयानिधिं देवतां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवमहं प्रपद्ये चन्तु मे देवता तुलीयादयातृङ्गाणप्राक्ताः स्वप्रेष्मुं सामोदं क्षणन्तीं सरस्वतीं संसदकामधेनुं व्याख्यामुद्रां करभरभृते पुस्तकं शृङ्गरक्ते विब्रह्मिण्णस्पतिगुरुवेन्दरीकेण शृण्णः सम्राणश्रीरन्दुसुरेरं श्वेततावेन माम् अविद्रूयाधनवैर्वामदेवागदीशः Today we are going to continue with consonants. There is a slight delay in the technical issue. It is 17, right? It is 20.
Voice கொஞ்சம் voice feeble-ஆ இருக்கு அடியே.
சரியா?
பக்கத்துல வேணா maybe instrument வச்சுங்க.
பக்கத்துல தான் இருக்கு. I'm not aware. It is 30 meters. 30 feet or நல்லா பண்ணுவேன். I'm 4 feet கூட பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Just we'll go for the recap what I taught yesterday. Ka Vargaha and Cha Vargaha. Two families I taught you yesterday. Two families I taught yesterday. Let me write, all of you watch this. Ka, Kha. You might have seen the video also how to write. Then Ga, Gha. Then Nga. Ka, Kha. Ga, Gha. Nga. Then Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, then Nya. So what do you understand? The first two letters are hard consonants. Ka and Kha, Ka, Kha. These two are hard consonants. Same way here also in Cha family, Cha and Cha or hard consonants. The rest three are soft consonants. These two letters, the last two letters are nasal letters. Natika and Natika. Janakanana, Natika, Cha. So these Na, Nya, these should be pronounced to nose. Now let us move on to next family, third. So after this, I will give you reading practice. After finishing the consonants, I will give you words to read. Okay? But you can read only when you finish all the joint letters. Then Ta Vargaha, the family of Ta. Ta Vargaha. Okay. So this family, the first four letters will be looking similar, slightly looking similar. Okay. Ta. Let me start with the top line as usual. Then slightly I am writing the standing line. Then what I am going to do, just in the English C I am going to write. That's all. Done. This is T, simple T, top. This is in English top, T-O-P, top. This is the T. Okay. So how to write? First the top line. Watch this carefully. Then slightly standing line, not full standing line. Slightly downwards. Then one C. That's all. The letter is over. Very simple. Okay? Have you written? Write it. So any letter, when I teach you, you have to write it for 5 times. Minimum 5 times you have to practice immediately. And you have to practice it every day 5 times till next class. Whatever I taught you yesterday and today, these 2 lessons you have to practice till we go for the next lesson. That is till next week. So, ta. Now, the second letter, same way we are going to write the top line, then slightly drop the standing line, not bigger. See here, small. Ta, you written, no? You wrote C here, but here what we are going to do? We are going to write O. See, ta. This is ta. What is this? Ta. This is ta. This is ta. Once again I am writing top line, then slightly the standing line, a small way, then we start the circle. We start the circle. So ta and ta. Write this 5 times quickly. Next. Shall we go next? So ta, ta. These 2 are hard consonants. These 2 are hard consonants. I am going to clear this. I am going to third letter. Hope you have to turn 5 times. Third letter is easy. Okay? How it is easy? You know this already. You have written this already. The top line again. What we have written? E. E. We have written E now. Say we are going to write without this circle. Without this circle we are going to write. So first we start with top line and slight drop. Okay? The standing line. Slightly. Then F. English F. Okay? And no circle here, just leave it, that's all. E and S together, one by one. Okay? The top line, then the drop, small line, then English S. I hope this is very easy to you. E, you have written, this same pattern is used with E and also na, ka, kha, ga, gha, na. The 5th letter. If you give a dot here, you know, it becomes na. If no dot, it is da. That's the difference. We should understand the difference. If you give a dot here, that becomes na, ka, kha, ga, gha, na. The 5th letter here. If you remove the dot, it becomes da, tha, 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 da, third letter. Okay. If you circle here, becomes E. If you circle, the same letter becomes E. Okay. So we don't circle here. We don't give a dot here. We don't give a circle here. So without a circle, it is simply F. Da. Again I am writing. Okay. Write it 5 times. Okay, first the sleeping line, the top line, then standing line, then English S. Okay, English S. That's all. The letter is over. So, ta, tha, da. Da is over. Okay? So we have written 5 times. It's easy to write. Next one also easy to write. Again, top line. Top line. What we have written, the first letter, same letter, ta. What we have written, ta, same we are going to write now. Same way. Top line, then slightly down the standing line, then the C. Okay? Then the C. What we are going to do now? Then what is the difference between that letter and this letter? Towards the end of the C, what we are going to do? We are going to write a circle here, circle here. So once again I am writing top line, then a small standing line, then English C. But to show the difference, what we are going to do? We are going to circle this. If there is no circle here, it becomes ta. With circle, it becomes dha. Fourth letter. First letter and fourth letter are similar, but looks similar. The difference is the circle towards the end. Okay, ta, tha, da, dha, over. Now, last letter. Before that, you complete this 5 times each. Complete writing 5 times each. Okay, let me move on to 5th letter. Let me move on to 5th letter, last letter of the family. Top line once again. Okay, once again, top line. Then what we are going to do? You know English U. No? Thirman. Right. That's all. See here. What I have written. English U. Otherwise, Thirman. Write it. Then what is next? One line. That's all. This is na. You have to hold your tongue and pronounce it na. Okay. This is na. Na. You have to say na. Again I write top line, then one U, then the standing line, followed by no connection. This and this, the connection is only the top line. Okay, we have to write next. That's all. Clear? Write it 5 times. Okay, shall I go for the recap of these 5 letters once again? Letter 1 is ta, tha, da, dha, na. This is the pronunciation of these 5 letters. Ta family. So, I am writing the ta family. Once again, if you have doubt, you can watch. Top line, then a small standing line, then English C. This is ta. First ta, simple ta. Next one is same way. We have tried the same again. Okay, but what we should do? We have written C of circle, but we have to make it full circle. That's all. We have to make it full circle. The third letter is top line, then a standing line slightly, then English S, the. This is Da. This is da. Simple da. The fourth letter is, we are following the first letter once again. We are following. Top line, then the standing line, small standing line. Again we are writing C, but we don't stop here. We are making a circle here. And we are not bringing it down below this curve. Okay? That's important, because if it comes below, then it becomes another letter. All of you understand. Okay? The last one is Na. Na. Last one is Na. So, the, Na. So, the Ta family is over. Shall we move on to Ta family? Next family. Ta family. Shall I clear? Let me clear this. Next is Ta. Ta family. Ta. Tamil. Okay? Ta. Ta varga. Ta varga. Okay. We start with this. Ta. First Ta. Top line first, then the standing line, full line. Okay, standing line. Okay, then what do we do? From the middle we are starting, a little, slightly upper than the middle. We start an hyphen like this, and we bend it. See this. L looks ulta. L. Letter L is there now. L. Looks like L. See here, one bend here. Okay? We write like this. You can start from here, and you can start from here and go. This way or that way. Normally, how to learn, how we should write, which will make you faster to write. Not, see, people have the habit of writing left to right or right to left. Means, for example, people will write like this. Some people will write, this way, from right to left and left to right. But the speed will come only when you write left to right. The speed will come in Sanskrit. When you write Sanskrit, the speed will come, so you practice left to right. Okay? So how do you write now? Top line, then the standing line. Okay? See here, you are starting from downwards and going this way. Okay? Looking like a chair. It's clear now. Chair, chair. This is chair and top line. This is top. Shall we go next? Write it 5 times. It's easy one. We are going to next letter. Next letter is Tha. Tha. Okay? Again, here what do we do? We don't start with top line. We start with a small curve. People used to draw the duck. Duck they will draw like this. Okay. So like that we have to start. We start with a small circle here. A small circle and a curve. See the curve? I'm writing this is bigger so that this is easier for you see. We start here. This should not touch. The top line should not touch this circle. Okay? It should be equal to this top line. It should start and go down, a curve. Okay? Then again, what do we do? A curved line here. And we stop, then the standing line and sleeping line. This is easier to write. This is an easy method to write. Hope you are able to see this. Write it 5 times. I will write once again. I'll clear this first letter. Okay, top line, we are writing, then I'm starting here the curve, circle and the curve, I'm doing like this. Okay, here no curve, here no circle. I'm bringing down the curve and stop here. Again I'm starting from there is no circle here. Okay, it's going. Again I'm going and stop here, then the line, standing line, then sleeping line. Okay, this is the way we have to write curve. Write it 5 times. Okay, hope you have written 5 times. I'm going to next letter. I clear this, I go to next letter. Third letter, the. What is the? Very simple to write. Okay, you have written dha, ta, tha, da, dha. Fourth letter, same. Okay, slight different only between the and the. There is slight difference. The top line, you start with top line, then the standing line, slight standing line, then English C. Then what do? We circle here. If we stop here, if we touch the curve, it becomes the. Now we bring it down. This line makes the difference between the and the. It has to come down. Okay, it has to come down here. So we start with top line, then slide, standing line, then English C, then we curve it, make a circle and bring it down. Beyond this curve, we are bringing it down. So what do you understand? There are 3 letters, similar one. Ta, first letter ta, okay, C. Then next one is tha. Tha, looks similar. The fourth one is dha. Curve here and stop here. It should not come down. Okay, this is dha. Ta, tha, da. Looks similar. And now the, it goes down. See the similarity in the letters. Ta, ta, tha. Okay, ta, tha, then dha, then the. If you extend this line, it becomes the. Okay, here. Can you see this clearly? So the is done. Write this 5 times. Okay. Shall I go to the next letter? Even this letter has similarity with the previous letter. Ka, kha, ga, gha. Fourth gha. What we have written, fourth gha, and what we are going to write, dha, both are similar. What we have done, let me write gha first. Okay, you have learned this, so I am writing that top line, and I am starting one C from here, C, then one more C, then I stop here, then the standing line. This is gha. I taught this as gha. Now what we are going to do, the small correction on this. So what is going to happen here? The top line touching here, no, it won't touch now. And here it will be a circle. See? That's all. That's the difference between that letter and this letter. So what we are going to do? First we are going to start with this, both these two are the equal line. So I am starting with circle, then C, then one more C, and stop here, and standing line, then sleeping line. Finished. The. These are all being taught in Hindi when you learn it. We learn Hindi because most of the Hindi words are derived from Sanskrit. You know, when independence was given to India, that time Sanskrit, Hindi had 76% of Hindi words. Now, I'm very sad to say that not even 50%, because local languages, local words are taken in Hindi. Okay, a lot of Urdu words. Previously, Urdu words were only 2% to 3%. Okay, in official Hindi. Even now, Indian official Hindi doesn't have much other languages. 60 to 70% Sanskrit words only. So both are almost similar. Okay, the. So let me clear this. We'll go to the first. Okay, I will write down below. Let's just say top line, the fifth letter. The fifth letter. I'm going to teach you the fifth letter. Top line, then standing line. Top line and standing line. Then what I do, I start with a small circle and an hyphen, a long line. Okay, like hyphen. Okay, one sleeping line here also. Then na, circle here, a small circle here. Again I write top line, then standing line. I start with a circle and sleeping line. Sleeping line is touching this standing line. This is na, not na. If you fold your tongue and say, it becomes tavaja. When you say simply na, namaskara, you say no, namaste. This na. Okay? So na is over. Write it 5 times. Let me clear this. Now I am going to tell you, I am going to teach you Tavarga once again. It's a recap. Okay? Ta, tha, the, na, na. Simple na, not na. Okay? The difference is there. Slight difference. Ta, tha, the, na. Okay? And let me write. Top line, then standing line, then like L. One letter we have to write. Ta. Next is, I am starting with circle, the curve, again I am going back and I stop here. Okay? See here, here also a curve and here also a curve. It should not be a straight line. Okay? If you make it straight, it becomes another letter. Okay? Then standing line, then the top line. Okay? Then third letter. The. The is like the. Start with top line, a small standing line, then English C, but curve, then bring it down. The. Then the. The is starting with curve, then C, then one more C, stopping there, then standing line and sleeping line. The. Then the last one is top line, that is sleeping line, then we are writing standing line, and we start with a circle and straight line, that is sleeping line. Becomes na. So ta, tha, the, na. Clear? Hope you have written 5 times. Let me move on to Parga. Going to be last Varga. That's the last Varga in the T, in consonants. Varga. Okay. Pa. We start with top line. Okay? We start with top line, then standing line. So what shall we do now? Very simple. we start again from here, from the left side end. Okay, we start a line and make it curve and join the this standing line. Okay, see here, like L, English L. Okay, English L, then standing line and top line. Same. That's all. This is pa. This is pa. Simply pa. Okay, pa. Write it by line. Once again I write, simply you make it L shape, okay, you can make it L shape, then standing line, then top line. You can write like this also. Next one, pa. We should not pronounce it as fa, F pronunciation. It is wrong because the difference between Hindi and Sanskrit is pa is used as fa in Hindi because it is useful to pronounce Urdu language. That's why it is being pronounced as fa, but it is not fa. How to say? You have to put both the lips together and say pa. Pa. So pa. Okay? Pa. Pa. Same pronunciation. But there is a stress in that. Pa, it is simple pa, both the lips together, we have to pronounce it. Pa, next one is pa, not fa. Okay, make it very clear. What do? We start with again top line and the standing line. Okay, top line and the standing line. As usual, we are starting same L. We have written no same L. You start same L, but don't stop here. Extend it. Okay, then down it. Swastika, like swastika. What we should do? Once again, I am writing top line, the middle line, the standing middle line. We start L shape like pa. What we have written in pa, we are writing pa. Full pa again, but we don't stop here with the middle standing line. We are crossing it. And the line is down, bend down. Pa. This is pa, not fa. It is not salam. It is thalam. Okay. Hope you have written 5 times. Being a teacher, I advise all of you, kids to elder, when you learn, today I am teaching you. Same day or tomorrow you have to sit and practice. If you don't practice, you will forget. And day after tomorrow, you cannot recollect what I have taught you. So, whenever you learn something, sit and learn and revise. Either same day, now it is night, it's very difficult for you to sit. Tomorrow, once again tomorrow. Since you don't have 4-5 days classes, then what you should do, whatever you have learned this week and previous week, you have to revise. Clear? Yeah. Pa, pa. Let me erase this. I'll go to next. Third letter, ba, balam. Okay, balam. How to write ba is very simple, very easy only. But the thing is that we should remember the top line, then the center line. The top line and the center line. Then what we should do? Now, from the middle, we have to start a circle. We write a circle. See, circle I have written. A circle. Then what we should do? A cross in the middle. A cross in the middle. This is ba. If this cross is not there, you know what is that? It is ba. Okay? If cross is there, it is pa varga. If cross is not there, it is ba. So ba. Okay? Should we write? Next one, I think ba. Once again I write. Write 5 times. Top line, then the standing line, then a circle. Okay? And what we should do? We have to cross it in the middle. Across the circle, we have to draw a line. This is ba. Okay. Shall we go to the next letter? Bha. Next is Bha. Bhima. Bhima. Bhayankara. Okay? Bha. Bha. So now what do? We don't write the top line, but we are starting with a circle. Okay? Tha. You wrote tha, right? You wrote tha. This tha only going to be here. How it is going to be there? See here. We are starting with circle, but what we did here? We made a curve here, but here we are not making a curve. We are starting with a circle and bring it down slightly. Again one more circle and take a straight line. Then the standing line, then this top line, slitting line. It means write it bigger, a circle, then drop it down, then a circle and straight line like this. This should not touch. There should be a gap here. This is bha. Write it 5 times. I'll drink water and come. Clear? Bha, ba, bha. Now we are going to see ma. What is ma? Nothing but they remove the circle. That's all. That is ma. Here we started with circle. Ma will not have a circle, but this circle will be there. Okay. So now I will erase this ba and I will show you. I'll write it. Okay. Now what do? We write top line. We don't stop this top line. Now we are writing top line. I am starting from here, a straight line and a curve, and I am taking and starting and stopping here. Okay? Then ma. See this. See the difference? Here there is a circle. Here no circle. It is touching the line. That's the difference between bha and ma. Okay? Top line. Write 5 times. Top line. Then I start from here without circle. I circle here. Ma. This is ma. The consonants will confuse. So that I am going very slow. So learn it properly, practice it properly. Once you cross this vowels and consonants, after that you can be slightly faster. You will learn faster. Okay? It's not that I will teach you faster. You will learn fast. So that reading will come. You will be able to read the word. So that learning will be more. So bha, ma. Write it 5 times. Okay, let me erase. I will send you tomorrow. I will send you some set of words. Okay, next week I will teach you ya to the remaining 11 letters. Next week I will teach you on Friday. Friday and Saturday we have fully reading practice. Okay, I want one by one to come forward and read it. I'll be listening. I will not teach. Okay? You have to read. But I'll send you the set of words tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Yeah. Well in advance. I give you well in advance. Now. Yes? Tell me. Question answer session afterwards. Few minutes. I'll finish the recap, then we'll go for the question answer session. Okay?
Sure.
I finish the recap of power ka. Then we can start question answer. First letter Pa. Top line, then one L, then the standing line. Okay? Pa. What we do for Pa? Top line, same way, L, then bend it down. Okay? Then the middle line. Top line, middle line, then we start here and we don't start, we go across and bend down. See the distance here, this distance and this distance should be similar. Then third letter, B. Third letter is B. What is this letter? This is not Fa. Fa means what will happen? The bottom lip will touch the teeth. Okay? That is not accepted because it is very clearly mentioned in Sanskrit. It is not what is that? Pakarasya dantoshtam. No. If elders want, I will teach after this. If possible, if time permits, I will teach you. If the organizer is giving me permission, I will teach that. How to pronounce the letters. It will take one day. Okay. Pa, Pa. Okay. Now, third letter. Top line, standing line, then go for a circle, or oval size, anything okay. It's not that exactly, it can be circle or it can be oval size. Then one stroke in the middle, there is a cut. Then fourth letter is, we start with, not with the top line. We start with a circle and bring it down straight. Again circle and we are turning. Okay? Then top line and standing line. Bha. This is Bha. Then last one is same one like Bha. We start with top line and standing line. Okay? And here we start without a curve and slightly down, then curve, and we stop with this. This is Ma, Ma, Pa, Pa, Ba, Bha, Ma. Clear? So today teaching is over. Any question answer you can ask. Swami? Hello?
Adiyan.
Question answer session ஆரம்பிக்கலாம்.
சரி, okay. Correct.
Chatல நிறைய கொடுத்துட்டேன்.
நீங்க to mention something, I mean I have to mention something about sending some words or letters ஏதோ சொன்னேனே அது
words அனுப்புவேன்.
Okay, சரி.
That can be circulated.
Sure, Adi. I'll just
so they can start reading. Reading.
Okay. Sure. Let me just start the Q&A.
Adiyan?
சொல்லுமா.
இன்னைக்கு வீடியோ டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸா இருந்துட்டே இருந்தது, என்னால கேட்ச் அப் பண்ண முடியல.
ரொம்ப சாரிமா, என்னன்னு தெரியல.
இல்ல, so Adiyan, I think there are some connectivity issues with some. It is at the receiving end. இப்போ எங்களுக்குலாம் வீடியோ சரியா வந்தது. We didn't have any issues with video from the start till now.
Okay.
The video has been okay. So நாங்க என்ன பண்றோம்னா, we are recording this session. The entire session is being recorded. So we will
Very
post
good.
it on the Telegram group. So இப்போ சுவாமி என்னெல்லாம் எடுத்தாரோ the whole thing will be posted on Telegram group. So யாருக்கெல்லாம் வீடியோஸ்
அது பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கடா அது பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கடா இல்ல
இனிமே பண்ணலாம்னு இருக்கோம், ரெகுலரா பண்ணலாம்னு. போன வாரம்
அத பார்த்த இது வரல இல்ல அது
அடியே we will post it to tomorrow most likely. போன வாரத்தோட and இல்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் vowels போஸ்ட் பண்றோம். நேத்து இது மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு, பட் going forward we will do that. So that's
okay.
the video is not ideal. We will post the entire recording of the session on Telegram. Next question.
பாதுகாங்கம் பாராயணன்றதுனால அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண முடியல சுவாமி. ரெக்கார்டிங் இருந்தா கொஞ்சம் சௌரியமா ஃபாலோ பண்ணேன்.
அதான் சொல்லிட்டாரு, ரெக்கார்டிங் அனுப்புவார்.
நேத்தி செஷன்
இல்ல, நேத்தி செஷனோட ரெக்கார்டிங் கிடையாது. பட் ஆனா சுவாமியோட யூடியூப் வீடியோ ஒன்னு இருக்கு, அது போஸ்ட் பண்ணா அதுல இருந்து ஆல்சோ you can pick it up from there also.
அதுல பார்க்கலாமா? ஓ
ஆமா,
thank you.
We will post both. Yeah.
தன்யவான் ஸ்ரீ சுவாமி.
அடியே ஸ்ரேயஸ்.
அடியேன் சிங்கப்பூர்ல இருந்து ஸ்ரேயஸ் பேசுறேன். எனக்கு சின்ன டவுட் இருக்கு.
சொல்லுங்க.
ஸோ நீங்க இதுல அப்புறம் இந்த மூணுமே வவல்ஸ்னு சொல்லிருக்கீங்க. ஆனா அது எப்படி கான்சனன்ட்ஸோட ஜாயின் பண்ணுது? அது எப்படி சேர்ந்து?
அதை கத்து தருவேன்.
ஓ சரி.
ஜாயின் லெட்டர்ஸ் நான் கத்து தரேன். ஏன்னா அதுக்கு ஒன்னொன்னுக்கும் ஒரு சிம்பிள் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த சிம்பிளை வந்து ஆட் பண்ணா போறோம்.
ஓகே சரி.
தன்யவாதம்.
Next question. அனுசயா நாகராஜ். question இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு? இல்ல, வேற யாருக்கான கேள்விகள் இருக்கா? anyone has a question? அனன்யா பரத், another question?
அடியேன்.
yes please சொல்லுமா.
என்னதுன்னா இன்னைக்கு என்னது எடுத்தீங்கன்னு ஒரே ஒரு வாட்டி ரீகேப் பண்ண முடியுமா? ஏன்னா வீடியோ கட் ஆயிட்டே இருந்தது.
ஓகே. தவர்கஹ தவர்கஹ பவர்கஹ இந்த மூணு வர்க்கத்தையும் today I taught 3 vargas. Yesterday I taught 2 vargas. Today I taught you 3 vargas. Yesterday ka kha ga gha nga. Yesterday ka varga was taught and cha varga also. Cha cha ja jha nya. So 10 letters were taught yesterday. Today I taught you 15 letters. That is tavarga. Tavarga started with tavarga. Tavarga. Ta means top. T-O-P top. Ta. This ain't ta. That ta. Tavarga. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Then tavarga. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Simple na. Then pavarga. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. So these 15 letters are taught today. Thank you. धन्यवादः. शुभरात्रि. धन्यवादः. धन्यवादः. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. धन्यवादः. शुभरात्रिः.